Girl, it is what it is. I won't waste a dime or the bartender's time trying to catch a buzz over the thought of us. But I'll drink to a country song, to another long work week gone, and I'll raise my glass to a long lost buddy I ain't seen. I might stay for one more round, or I might close this place down. But don't think for a second I'm out to drown you.
I got a long driveway.
Baby, you ain't
That's still loud and clear. All the way on the other side of the road.
It don't matter what your friends say, they never liked me anyway. So if they see me drunk in this bar, it ain't